What if you could create these viral AI influencer dance videos in just a few minutes? No filming, no motion capture, and no complicated setup. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step using HitPaw Edimakor. Let's jump in. Step 1. Generate AI image prompts. First, we need AI influencer images for our dancing videos. Open ChatGPT and paste this master prompt. ChatGPT will instantly generate 5 different prompts designed to create AI influencer images with strong viral potential. If you want more variations, simply type, write 10 more unique prompts, and you'll get fresh ideas with different styles, outfits, and personalities. Step 2. Open HitPaw Edimakor. Next, open HitPaw Edimakor. You'll find the download link for HitPaw Edimakor in the video description. Click New Project to get started. Step 3. Generate AI influencer images. Now, go to the AI image option on the left panel and select the model, Google Nano Banana Pro. Paste the prompt you generated from ChatGPT, then choose your preferred image resolution, size, and the number of images you want to generate. Click Generate, and within a few seconds, your AI influencer images will be ready. Step 4. Choose dancing templates. Now for the fun part. Head over to the AI video section on the left panel and click on AI Dance. Here, you'll see a wide variety of dance templates. You can explore popular dance styles, Christmas-themed, K-pop, hand gestures, and even kung fu templates. Preview a few options and select the one that matches the vibe you want for your AI influencer. What's more exciting is that you can also upload your dance videos and customize your own dance templates. Step 5. Final AI dance video. After selecting the dance template, simply upload the AI-generated influencer image. Click Generate, and in seconds, Edimakor will turn that image into a fully animated dancing AI video.
Game start!
And that's how easily you can create a dancing AI influencer using HitPaw Edimakor. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to try it yourself. I'll see you in the next one.